Good afternoon and a warm welcome back to the channel. This could be about the quickest video that I've ever done, and this time it's for a universal part, so not specific to BMW, although I have been sent it by Nippy Norman, the BMW aftermarket distributor, and it's a universal heavy-duty motorcycle turntable. So as long as you've got a centre stand on your motorcycle, doesn't matter what make it is, and as long as the centre stand has dimensions inside 420 millimeters, then this item is suitable for you. As I say, it is very heavy duty. This is it here. It's a tread plate rotating turntable inside an aluminium ball bearing race, and it is quite important that you recognize that this is a very heavy duty item. 420mm width, as I say, on the tread plate portion, and just over 25 millimeters high, so you should be able to get the motorcycle on and get the center stand down. Now, to evidence that, I'm going to take it to its extreme by taking my K1600 to a friend of mine who has a single garage, and we're going to try and put the motorcycle on there, spin it round and take it out. Now, why would you want this? For those of you, particularly those of you with heavy motorcycles, you will have been familiar with the back paddling, and you only need to make a tiny little misstep while you're trying to reverse your motorcycle back and slip or slide, or just drop off an edge, and suddenly your motorcycle's on its side and you're doing damage to the motorcycle. So with this, you can ride it into the garage, you can spin it on the turntable, and you can ride it straight back out again. So whether your drive is on a downslope, an upslope, or even worse, gravel, as with mine, then this is very, very suitable for you. As I say, very heavy duty, so not to be confused with some of the lighter duty rocky ones that you've seen, but you'll see that hopefully in the video when we take the 1600 out. It's retailing, I think, for about $169.99, but I'll leave the description down below to the Nippy Norman website where you can go and pick these up. So let's go and try the ultimate test of the K1600 on the universal motorcycle turntable. So there we have it. The proof of the pudding, as they say, is in the eating. It's obviously at its extreme with the K1600, but it handled it perfectly okay. Hopefully you saw that within the video. And I got this thing onto the center stand myself, so all was good in that regard. If you've liked the video anyway, let's give it a thumbs up. That helps the algorithms. If you want to subscribe, I don't post very often, probably less and less now actually, but when I do, I hope these are useful for you motorcyclists out there, and particularly for those of you that are riding BMW motorcycles. But anyway, until next time, stay safe, ride safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.